In this video, you will learn how to fix Instagram Vanish mode not working. First, update. Update your Instagram app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, then check for updates. An outdated app can cause features such as Vanish mode to not work. Restart the app. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. This will refresh the app and fix any minor bugs. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Vanish mode needs a good internet connection to work properly. Ensure you're in a one-to-one chat. Vanish mode only works in private on one-to-one chats and not in messaging groups. Swipe up in the chat. To activate Vanish mode, go to the chat and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. If nothing happens, the feature may not be available on your Instagram account yet. Log out and log back in. Logging out and logging back in your account can reset your session and temporarily fix your glitch. Clear your cache. Go to the phone settings, apps, Instagram, storage and clear cache. This may fix your app's Instagram behavior. Reinstall the app. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This will ensure you have the latest version and remove any corrupted files. Check availability in your region. Vanish mode is not available in all countries and for all accounts. If none of these steps work, it may not be supported in your area yet. Now you know how to fix Instagram Vanish mode not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.